Hello, I'm Amy from Zealous System, a technology partner that helps turn ideas into software solutions. Our client, who runs a well-known association in the salon industry in Canada for the past few years, approached us with a vision to simplify and modernize salon operations. Today, I'm here to introduce the Salon Management App, a solution we developed for them to streamline bookings, staff and inventory management, and enhance the overall salon experience. Our client was well aware that running a salon involves much more than just excellent styling. Lack of a platform to allow clients to schedule appointments or choose stylists based on their specific hair needs, a lack of comprehensive information about salons or hairdressers, and clients often having trouble finding a stylist who truly matched their personal style were some of the major issues they faced. To address these issues and maintain the smooth operation of the salon, we developed the Salon Management App for our client. Let's see how the app turns these problems into opportunities. Whenever you log in as a salon admin, the very first thing you see is the dashboard. It works like your salon's command center. Right away, you can check today's sales, the number of appointments, and which services are performing best. For example, if hair coloring has been booked 3 times this month, you'll see it highlighted here, along with the stylist who handled most of them. The dashboard also tracks occupancy rates and client loyalty, showing you how many are new, returning, or walk-in customers. And at the end of the day, you can close the business day with a single click to review overall performance. Appointments are at the heart of any salon, and the app makes them easy to manage. Using the built-in calendar, you can quickly book a client with the right stylist, choose their services, and check availability. If you try to assign a service to a stylist who doesn't offer it, the system alerts immediately, avoiding mistakes. Recurring appointments are just as simple. Imagine a client wants a haircut every Friday for a month. You can set that up in seconds. Once the client arrives, their status is updated, any add-on services or tips can be included, and the invoice is generated instantly. From check-in to checkout, everything flows smoothly. Client profiles keep every detail in one place. You can record personal preferences, service history, and even save custom color formulas for each customer. So when a client returns, the stylist already knows exactly what they like. If you're moving from another system, you can even import all client data in bulk, so nothing is lost. Inventory management is another area where the app makes life easier. Stock is organized into 2 categories: retail products for sale and internal supplies used during services. Let's say you ordered 100 bottles of shampoo from a supplier. Once they're received, you mark it in the system and stock updates automatically. This ensures you never run out of essential products and can reduce losses. Staff management is just as streamlined. Each team member has their own profile with working hours, assigned services, and commission setup. Permissions are also customizable, so a receptionist can only see bookings, while a manager has full access to reports. The Services module lets you organize everything you offer, from basic treatments to advanced packages. Each service can have its own title, duration, price, and discount options. With advanced pricing, you can set different rates depending on the stylist's experience. And if you want a treatment to be available for online booking, you just enable it with a click. To help salons attract more clients, the app includes a marketplace feature where services and stylists can be showcased. The online booking page feature provides a dedicated link where clients can browse services, check staff profiles, and book appointments instantly. Imagine sharing this link on Instagram, where customers can reserve their spot with just a tap. The page also supports multiple languages, making it accessible for a wider audience. Data-driven decisions are crucial, and that's where reports come in. The app generates detailed reports on sales, staff commissions, client activity, and overall performance. Whether you want to know which stylist earned the most last month or how many repeat customers came in this week, the reports give you the answers you need to plan promotions, manage staff, or add new services. Customer engagement tools are built right in. Automated reminders help reduce no-shows by sending SMS or email alerts before appointments. And if you want to run a promotion, say 20% off hair spa treatments this weekend, you can create and send a campaign directly from the system, and even track its results. Even salon resources like chairs, dryers, and styling tools can be managed within the app. This helps avoid overbooking equipment and ensures resources are always allocated properly. And for businesses with multiple branches, the app allows you to manage several locations under a single admin account. Finally, the Settings module lets me customize everything from the salon name and logo to taxes, tips, payment methods, and opening hours. All billing and subscription details are also neatly organized here. The Salon Management App isn't just software, it's our client's vision to transform how salons run. From scheduling and staff management to inventory and reports, it helps salons work smarter, serve clients better, and grow faster. At Zealous System, we were proud to turn this vision into reality, building a simple, powerful, and scalable solution for modern salons. At Zealous, we began with requirements gathering, understanding the real challenges salons face from managing bookings and staff to keeping clients happy. Then came scope documentation, defining how the app should simplify scheduling, payments, and daily operations. With wireframe development, we mapped out the salon journey, showing exactly how owners, staff, and clients would use the app. Next was system development, where we built features like smooth booking, staff management, secure payments, and reports. Finally, through testing and deployment, we polished every detail to deliver a reliable system that helps salons run smarter and grow faster. To build this powerful solution, we used a modern each stack, Laravel as the backbone for secure and scalable backend development, MySQL to handle client and salon data efficiently, Stripe Payment for safe, seamless transactions, Bootstrap to create a responsive, user-friendly interface, Full Calendar for smooth appointment and scheduling management. Every phase, every line of code was designed to develop not just an app, but a true digital partner for salons. And that's the story of how we developed the Salon Management App for our client, built to solve real problems and designed to grow with your business. This is just one of the many digital solutions we developed, helping businesses innovate, simplify, and scale. Let's shape the future together with Zealous System.